Hello health buddies, here's presenting the most popular Amritsari aloo kulcha without baking powder, yeast or soda. Now you might wonder why to start your sourdough journey. Well, if you want to give your family a healthy bread without improvers, chemical preservatives, artificial sweeteners or refined ingredients, then you must start with sourdough starter today. And what we are using here is 100% whole wheat sourdough starter. And can you believe these are semolina kulchas with a crispy crust and soft inside. And this is our 100% whole wheat sourdough starter that I have prepared along with my baker friends in my healthy recipes group in Facebook. So for this recipe you need 1/4 cup of semolina and soak it in half cup of water for at least half an hour or 1 hour. I am using coarse semolina, you can use finer one as well. So after keeping aside for 30 minutes, my semolina looked fluffed. Okay, now we need to grind it to paste along with the water. Pour it into a bowl and this will be used for kneading our dough. 1 tablespoon sourdough starter, which is 100% whole wheat sourdough starter, and it is 100% hydration starter. That is, it uses equal amount of flour and water. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well, mix the starter well, and then add 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it again, mix everything very well so that everything is incorporated. And next we'll be adding our whole wheat flour in batches. I have used 1 cup of whole wheat flour and this is 240 ml cup. Mix it in batches so that we can get the perfect consistency, but you will still need 1 cup of whole wheat flour for this amount of water, half cup of water and 1/4 cup of semolina, which we have already started the process with. So mix it really well, add all of the flour and now start kneading. Kneading the bread is an art, they say. But I am following the stretch and fold method. Keep stretching the bread from all sides. Keep rotating the bowl and stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Keep rotating the bowl, stretch, fold, and I did it for at least 5 to 8 minutes. And this is equal to kneading your bread. This will ensure everything is incorporated well and there will be gluten formation as well. Stretch, fold, stretch from all sides and fold. Continue to do this for at least 5 to 8 minutes. And this is important for gluten formation. And gluten is what gives you chewy breads. Chewy texture comes from gluten. So I did it for 5 to 8 minutes. Continue to do it. You don't need any extra amount of flour even if your hands feel sticky. Now cover for 30 minutes at room temperature. After 30 minutes, shift it to the refrigerator for overnight proofing. And after overnight proofing for at least 6 to 7 hours, it is known as bulk fermentation and it looked like this. Don't worry, keep it aside at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours. Now let's prepare the stuffing. I have used boiled potatoes, onion, ginger, dry coriander powder, green chili and coriander leaves. I have also used curry leaves because I did not have coriander leaves. Now add salt, red chili powder, coriander powder and kasturi methi. Mix everything very well so our stuffing will be ready. This is typical of Amritsari kulcha. So now look, it has beautifully fermented. Can you see the holes? This is perfect. Now lift it from all sides for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't press it hard. Be very gentle with your dough. Now pull a small ball, roll it, take some dry flour and we need to make a small ball, press it and then we'll be filling the stuffing just as you make aloo paratha. Now roll it gently into an oblong shape or oval shape. Oval shape just like an egg. Okay, so this is typical of Amritsari kulcha, so I try to do that, imitate that. It looks perfect, it tastes so good, and we have got Amritsari aloo kulcha without baking powder, soda or yeast. Now the idea behind making kulchas is, the perfect way is to heat your skillet. When it is completely hot, then pour some water on top of the tawa. Put the flame to low and immediately put the kulcha. Now turn it to low, and then when it starts bubbling, you flip the tawa on the flame when you see the bubbles, and then keep heating. Okay, now when it looks cooked, look at this side, perfect kulcha. And now you can grease it with butter, apply some butter or ghee, and then it is ready to relish. It tastes so yum and will remind you of Amritsari kulcha, but this is without yeast, baking powder or soda. For sourdough starter tips, please check the description, and if you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe. See you soon. Until next time, bye bye, take care.